A lot of you expressed some interest in taking the Putnam, but you weren't quite sure about the level of difficulty of these questions. So here's an example of one. This is one of my favorite questions. This is the first question from the 2017 Putnam. This is A1, which is supposed to be the most straightforward one. Here it is.
Let S be the smallest set of positive integers with the following properties.
Here, the smallest set just means that if there's any other set that meets all these conditions, S is contained in that set.
So here are the conditions. The first condition is that 2 is in the set, so we know the set is not empty and it contains the element 2. The next condition is that if n squared is in the set, then n is in the set.
That's basically saying that if there's a perfect square in the set, its square root, which is still going to be an integer, is also in the set.
And the third condition, if n is in S, then n plus 5 squared is in S. And so here's the question, which positive integers are not in the set S?
And that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want a hint, keep watching. If you don't want a hint, then you should stop watching right now or pause it. What I would recommend doing is just kind of going through and seeing what elements you know are in the set. So for example, we know 2's in the set, which tells us that 2 plus 5 or 7 squared is in the set. So we know 49 is in the set. And now you know 2 elements. And if you keep going and keep fooling around, you'll kind of start noticing the pattern and you'll see some cool stuff. This is a really fun question. This is a great question. I'll tell you the answer later on this week or maybe next week after you guys have some time to think about it. But give it a try. See if you can figure out the answer. Good luck.